Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. After many days I'm making this video for all of you, so you might have a clear idea about Arduino boards and sensors. Now some of you might have questioned what is sensors, so you will be cleared. And I have also said some things when I did some videos like in basic programs, and also I did a video on how to control a servo motor. So hope you all understood the video and code. If you have any problem, please ask me in through comment. So let's go for that. Let me show you some sensors and real Arduino boards. Hope you will like the video. So let's go for that. These are some Arduino boards. Oh, sorry. These two are the Arduino boards, and this one is just a motor driver. You will. So in the Proteus, you saw that we have some things like this. Digital pin 13 to blah 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 blah. Like this, mostly like this. I hope you all are understanding this. We use this kind of boards in our Proteus also, so this one and that one is mostly same. It depends on your library that you include for Arduino in your Proteus. So this one is Arduino boards, these two Arduino boards, and these two are damaged actually. See, there in real life there will be some pins, like you are seeing in the picture. There will be some pins, black pins, female header. I took those pins as I needed that for my works here also, but as these are damaged, so I don't need this, but I kept it for all of you to show you. So after some time I will also show you some real Arduino boards. Those are correct, and I will also make some projects from there, so you will see those. So these are damaged, that's why for demo only I brought this. And after that, let's see this one. Oh sorry, I have another one like this. This one is also alternative motor driver. Even in some videos you might have seen some people make some obstacle avoiding car and line follower. They also use actually this kind of motor drivers for their easy use. So you can also use L29 8M. Let me show you these motor drivers. Model number is L29 3D. Remember L29 3D. You can also take a screenshot, no problem to buy it. Another one is L29 8M. I don't have that one, sorry for that, but I will buy it and show you. So after this, let me show you some sensors. I have pretty much sensors, so let's start from this. These two are the ultrasonic sensors. Mostly some of you might be thinking it looks like camera, but it's not a camera. Yes, it's like a eyes. If you make a car or obstacle avoiding car, we will need this. Actually what it does is, see, there are 4 pins. One is for power and one is for ground, and in between these two pins there is, see, one is stick and another one is the echo. If through the code, if we give any high signal, like actually it runs with sound, means according to science I know that our capability of listening sound is 20,000 hertz, but this ultrasonic sensor makes a sound of 40,000 hertz, so we can listen the sound. Actually, look, let me say you simply. The echo pin, if we give a pulse of 40,000 hertz from the echo pin, it will send a sound wave through the air in the place where we want to. Then if any object comes in front of it, then the sound wave will reflect here, and again it will come here, and the tick pin will receive it. So it will understand that, or the Arduino will understand that there is a object in front of it, and we can do anything with this. So it's a little bit hard to know, but it will be easier for you when you will make the code, and I will make this in real life. So these are done. Let's see some these sensors. Yes, these are all same. Actually these are called IR sensors. If you make line follower, you will need this. Also it can be used as obstacle avoiding. This one and this one work is mostly same, but this one works better for obstacle. Using this one is more easy than this one. So if an obstacle comes easily, it will catch it. So these are one kind of IR sensor. Also these are used in line follower to follow black lines. We have two left. So let me say, I don't have much clear about this, but as much I know, this one and this one's work is mostly same. You can see that both of these are looking mostly same, and these two works are mostly same. So This name is sharp. Yes, sharp sensor. This is also used. This can also be used as ultrasonic sensor. Mostly same, so no difference. So I have this much stuff on Arduino at present, but I will buy more. But let me say all the sensors are correct. Only the Arduino boards are damaged. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. That's for today. Goodbye.